Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Lightroom mobile tutorial and Lightroom preset giveaway. Here's the before and after photos using the frozen white Lightroom preset. Before we proceed to the adjustments, I want to recommend this channel to you guys. She makes amazing presets too, and she also regularly uploads new presets. Check her channel. So let's start. Let's start out in the Lights tab. Exposure to positive 1.05. Contrast to negative 12. Highlights to negative 100. Shadows to positive 55. Whites to negative 19. And blacks to positive 43. Here's the curve. In colors, adjust the temperature to positive 13. Tint to negative 11. Vibrance to positive 1. Saturation to negative 7. In red, adjust the hue to negative 23. Saturation to negative 44. And luminance to negative 16. In orange, adjust the hue to negative 25. Saturation to negative 43. And hue to negative 24. In yellow, adjust the hue to negative 51. Saturation to negative 100, luminance to negative 15. In green, adjust the hue to positive 62. Saturation to negative 75. Luminance to positive 89. In aqua, adjust the hue to negative 7. Saturation to negative 16. And luminance to positive 100. In blue, adjust the luminance to positive 93. In purple, adjust the hue to negative 11. Saturation to negative 46. Luminance to positive 85. In magenta, adjust the saturation to -16. Luminance to +89. Adjust clarity to -3. Here's the adjustments on the spill tone. Adjust the sharpening to 24. Adjust the color noise reduction to 27.